good life. Let us see what is this. What is inside this pack? My third pack ordered from Amazon. I'm expecting more things to arrive, but this is the third batch. This is the third goods that I purchased from Amazon. I can't wait to see what is inside, to let you guys see it. Let me try to open it like this. Let me cut this away. No. Something like this, just like an envelope. So I'll try to open it like this, easily. Ooh. Okay, this is it. Let's take them out one by one. This is the blocker of the microphone. It will block. This one is used to block the noise around the mic. This Rode mic that I bought yesterday. This Rode mic. I'll put it in the mouth so it wouldn't bring out all those like breeze, like wind, all those wind. With this one, I will be able to protect the noises around this Rode mic. Okay, now this is this one for now. For the next, this is the protector of the screen of the camera that is still on its way. This is called screen protector. The screen protector for my camera to give you guys better quality videos. And this is what? This is the battery charger. Yes, okay, this is the battery charger. Battery charger of everything to charge to make more videos as possible as I can. All for you guys. This is the power point. This is the wire. Connect this here, then plug it to an adapter. Now plug it to whatever I have to plug it in. I ordered 2 batteries. First battery here will go inside here like this. Maybe like this, I think. Something like this, I think. So it should be like this. Yes, one. First battery. Then the second battery. Yes, they are compatible with this charger. With this, whenever my camera go down, my camera battery goes down or battery low, I'll plug this in the alimentation. so that the camera will continue working and I can produce more video like that. And then let us pack this up back. First battery. Oh, the name of this battery, RAF Power ROP.PB PB is 056 Savior series. It's Lion battery, Lion. It is specifically made for Sony. It's written here, Sony NP-FW50 battery pack. The real name is called RAF Power. The first battery is out. Then the second battery is here. Still the same thing with this one. Still the same name, everything, the same numbers. The battery back into its pack. Later I will start using it. The wire and the main source of power. It's also called RAF battery. I think the light will on here, something like that. Red and green light, something like that. This one, it have the amount of output current as 8.4 voltage times 2. So it can be a double of 8 times 8.4 voltage. Direct current. DC. Output current is 700 milliampere. Millimeter ampere in English. In Italiano it's called milliampere. Times 500 millimeter ampere times 2 again. This should be kept in a dried location. And as we all know, it should be kept away from children. This will be useful for me to produce more constant videos. Even though I'm in the public doing some interview or meeting people outside there like that, I will be able to change my battery fast. When we meet more foreigners or more people trying to share with us some knowledge and some of their experience outside their hometown, outside their country, living in a new place with new people, they can easily continue speaking with us and sharing with us their life experience outside their hometown. I've forgotten to put this back. RAF Power, the instruction and the manual. Then I ordered a book, a very interesting book. So small, feel alive. That is all. This one is not. It's not for It's not for you guys. This one is personal. So this is what I bought from Amazon today. It just got to me, to my place today. This for the mic, for the blockage of the wind of the Rode mic. Let us put this away now, because this is to be thrown away. This, the battery and its charger. Then this is for the screen. This is for the screen of the camera. Protect the screen. Actually, I have some. Okay, this is the wipes for the cleaning of the screen when the screen gets dirty. All this guard sticker. Okay, this one is guard sticker. Dual absorber. Then in here I have different screen protector. Screen protector right here. And this always make the screen to remain smooth. It is anti-mark. It won't make your screen of your camera have scratches. It supports all those scratches. When you mistakenly touch it with the wrong something, the mark, the stretch and the marks will not show on the screen. This is it today. I want to let you guys know that I've gotten all this for you guys. Like and subscribe and follow us on our journey. We will all get to meet new people coming to this channel to speak about their experience and what they're actually going through. And I will be here sharing with you guys my own experience too, and everything like that. We'll talk later. The good life.